Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide this heading or first title from this table of content in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first step, visit or go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to hide the title or heading from its table of content. In my case, this heading or this table of content is on this blog post page. Now this is the heading I am looking to hide, so simply hover over it with your mouse and click on this little icon. As you see, hide show. Now it is hidden. Click on publish again, and let's view the published site. As you see, now no more page or first title in the table of content. It starts directly with introduction, which is the first section. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Page or first title in the table of content. It starts directly with introduction, which is the first section of my article. The before, it still shows the page title in my case, or the blog post title, and here without the first heading. And this is how to hide the heading or the first title in from the table of content in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.